Hello students, once again I'm in front of you with new chapter power sharing. Dear students, in last video I just explained you about the detailed syllabus of political science for standard 10. In today's video I will explain you about the chapter power sharing, rights, and what are its contents to be discussed in this chapter. Whenever you will what are the different topics you have to study and what are the different topics, ideas and concept must be in your mind. This is done for this purpose that whenever you will complete the listening work of different videos of this chapter power sharing, then you have to evaluate and check yourself what are the different topics which are just written here are just clear in your mind or not. For this purpose just I have written all those topics that has to be discussed in different videos of this chapter, right? So it is necessary that to understand the chapter very clearly, right? Only the formality of listening by skipping videos is not enough or not sufficient for your knowledge point of view, for your examination point of view. Whenever you are just taking it so easy, entertaining only, as generally you just use your mobile, then it will not be beneficial. It will be beneficial whenever you will see and listen each and every video systematically and each and every second of video very seriously. Then it will give you a better idea about the chapter, right? So the different topics that has to be studied in this chapter are, firstly we will start with the definition and introduction of the chapter, right? What is power sharing, what are different definition of power sharing, right? To understand power sharing in standard 10 or in this chapter, there are few examples earlier given, right? By giving the ideas or the practical conditions, right? This will be try to give you ideas about the chapter. So you have to study two case study, right? The first, the case study of Belgium and Sri Lanka, right? In both the country, how power is shared and what are just result happening there of the power sharing. So you have to study Belgium and Sri Lanka. So firstly you have to study geographical position of Sri Lanka and geographical position of Belgium. After that, what are the social and ethnic division of society of Belgium and Sri Lanka, right? And after that, what are the political structure of Belgium and Sri Lanka, right? Now in this topic you have to just study the political structure of Belgium and Sri Lanka, means how just power is shared, how just government is just working, and the government is just working there, how the output of power sharing just resulting over the society, how it just influenced the society. Next, in next topic you have to study majoritarianism in Sri Lanka, how the political structure is just working in Sri Lanka, and how is the accommodations in Belgium, how political system just working in Belgium you have to study. And after that, whenever you will study all these topics, then a concept of power sharing just definitely become in your mind, right? After that you will just study why power sharing is desirable. Why power sharing is needed? Why power sharing is wants, right? So understanding the circumstances and practical or behavior conditions of these two countries, you can analyze the meaning or extent of power sharing. After that, you will just study meaning and features of power sharing. Now, power sharing, after that, power sharing and democracy, how correlated. And after that, what are the different form of power sharing? What are the different forms of power sharing? You have to study 4 ways of power sharing, 4 forms of power sharing, right? And in those 4 power sharing, there is vertical and horizontal form of power sharing is much more important, and always ask questions from this topic in examination. After that, lastly, power sharing and India, and lastly we will just conclude the chapter power. So these are the topic, dear students, you have to study in this chapter. So starting of the topic of the chapter power sharing will be just come in front of you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.